third year Information Technology students of Access Computer and Technical College.
Today, we are about to show you the step-by-step process on how to assemble and disassemble a computer peripheral. Without further ado, let's begin the process.
The motherboard is the main printed circuit board of a computer. It holds many of the crucial electronic components of the system. A video card is an expansion card which generates a feed of output images to a display. A LAN card, or a network interface controller, is a computer hardware component that connects a computer to a computer network. A memory is used to store programs or data on a temporary or permanent basis for use in a computer or other digital electronic device. A hard disk drive is a data storage device used for storing and retrieving digital information using rapidly rotating disks coated with magnetic material. A CD-ROM is a pre-pressed compact disc which contains data. The name is an acronym which stands for Compact Disc Read-Only Memory. A power supply is a device that supplies electric power to an electric load. An IDE cable, or also known as parallel ATA, is an interface standard for the connection of storage devices. A microprocessor incorporates the functions of a computer's central processing unit on a single integrated circuit, or at most a few integrated circuits. Now that you've seen all the peripherals that will be used, we will now proceed on assembling a system unit. Now that we're done on assembling a system unit, we will now proceed on how to disassemble.
hope that you learned something from our presentation. This has been Richard Sonsona,
Joyce and Antonio, ayan yung susunod.
Michael Vincent Mayo, and Christian Paul Gonzalez.
Thank you for watching!
Bye-bye!
Mapapansin mo ba kaya ang tulad ko kahit nasa sulok lang ng iyong mga mata, mahuli mo kaya ang pagsulyap sa'yo kahit na hindi naman ako ang iyong kaharap o chinito.